Looping my presents, and now I'm got to Minecraft. Now but my first animation. Yeah. Oh, this was not what I expected. Oh my god! I look like Steve! I better change my skin. Yeah, it's a whole new me. I'm here. What now? Huh? Ooh. What's that? Oh, okay, it's a book. I thought that was a blah 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 yak yak yak. Okay, so the book said I have to chop a tree, but I don't have any materials. Am I supposed to break it? Aha, I'll use my hand. Now I have to do more chopping. I'll just craft a wooden plank. I'll just craft a crafting table. Okay, just make a stick and wait a minute. I'll just make a pickaxe. Pickaxe. Time to mine. I have to mine some stone to survive and some gold. And I'm losing hunger. Ooh, piggy. Ah ha ha. I will kill it. I need food. Beep. I'll make a furnace and I'll cook it with coal and just the pork. Yeah, this is fun. 2 seconds later. Wow, this is freaking boring. Ooh, yay! It worked. No. Oh no, sun's coming down. Oh no, sun's coming down. Oh, I'll just kill it. Okay. Just make a house. Okay, make a wood and what am I saying? I'll just make a crafting table and oh. What happened to my door? Zombie! Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for